When I tell people I'm vegan, they usually react with,
"Wow, really? How are you even alive?"
I figured why not just attempt being vegan? At least that way I can say I tried, and if it doesn't work out, I can feel good about myself.
Do I think that being vegan is a reasonable diet for everyone? I don't know. I took a 30-day challenge that changed my life.
What surprised me the most during this challenge was the fact that
So everyone's talking about going vegan. In a span of just 3 years, veganism saw an increase of 600% in the US. That's quite massive. And while going vegan may not be for everybody, we actually went ahead and tried it. And man oh man, there is a difference. So let's talk about what happens to your body when you go vegan. First off, we know that there's a whole lot of confusion surrounding veganism, so let's quickly clear that up. Replace your animal-based foods with plant-based, and voila, you're a vegan. Why should I go vegan, you ask? Well, there's no right answer. Some do it to improve their health, while some want to help the environment, and others just out of pure curiosity. It all depends on what you want to achieve. Keep in mind, everyone is different. No two people are going to have the exact same journey with their bodies when switching diets. So don't go screaming at me saying,
"Well, Karen's been vegan for just a week and she's super energetic now, so why does it still take me an hour just to get out of my bed?"
In general, people who are used to relying heavily on meat and cheese every day are most likely to see a big difference in their body. When first switching to a plant-based diet, you may notice a difference in, your bowels. There's a very simple explanation behind this. If you had some meat and fish for lunch, it could take as long as 2 days for your body to fully digest. But let's say you decided to have some salad for lunch. Now that'll get digested within a day. Fruits and veggies in general are high in fiber, which helps your digestive system run way more efficiently. So congratulations, you're gonna be pooping a lot more than usual. Now, while high fiber intake means it may give you higher energy levels and keep you feeling satiated for longer, you may also feel a lot hungrier. Like we said, a lot of meat and dairy products typically have high caloric values, and vegan diet ordinarily consists of less calorically dense foods. So this may result in some weight loss. On the other hand, if you begin to overcompensate this calorie deficit by consuming a lot of carbs to replace that meat and dairy, you may notice a weight gain. Now here's another thing that will blow your mind. After a few weeks of going vegan, you may notice your taste buds changing. Yeah, your taste. One study showed that after switching to a low-fat diet, such as a vegan diet, people's taste sensitivity increased towards foods high in fat, salt, or sugar. So veganism may even help you curb your cravings because you can't handle the fatty, sugary taste of junk food anymore. Another great outcome some have spoken about is improved skin health. However, this has not been proven by scientific studies, so if you do experience it, that's a plus. In the long run, studies have shown that a vegan diet may help those with diseases or conditions like arthritis, high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes, which could mean less visits to the doctor. But on the other hand, due to lower levels of calcium consumption, vegans are more at risk of bone fractures than non-vegans. But don't worry, we have a bunch of vegan alternatives for that. Now let's talk about your mental health. There are some nutrients linked to mental well-being that are only available naturally in animal products. Vitamin B12 helps to regulate your mood. Omega-3 fatty acids help with brain function. Amino acids make up neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are the happy hormones. So if you're on a vegan diet, make sure you find alternative sources of food that can help with healthy brain function. It may be ideal to change your food habits gradually instead of overnight. Take it one meal or even one ingredient at a time. And here's our final food for thought. If you want to go vegan, the key is to replace foods from your previous diet and never eliminate them.